In a previous video, we discussed a number of different important formulas when it comes to accounting. One of the more important formulas is the idea that assets equal liabilities plus equity. And if we know this formula to be true, when we're given practice problems where we're missing a certain number to the equation, it just turns into algebra and we can solve for x. So in this example, we are told that the equity of your lemonade company is 100,000 and the liabilities of your lemonade company are 10,000. And they tell us that assets we don't know, that becomes our x. And using the formula assets equal liabilities plus equity, we can just plug in the information that we know and it automatically spits out what it should be. So 100 plus 10,000 means the other side of the equation has to be 110,000. And that is the answer to this problem. Total assets are 110,000. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And remember, the answer is always 0.